Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows update error 0x80070422 in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your search box and type on services, or you can open a services. After doing this, that here is a Windows services. Make sure that three services must be running in your PC. The first of all, you can find out a Windows event collector. So now find out so just wait up a few seconds. Now here is a, you can see that a Windows event collector. Now open it, and after doing this you can select it automatically. Click on a start button and apply changes and press OK button. After doing that, you can open a Windows event log, and after opening that you can must that it's select automatically and click on apply and OK button. After doing this that you can find out a Windows update, open it, and you can select it automatically and apply changes. Click on a start button and press OK button. After doing this that you can go to your Windows settings and go to your updates. Now after doing this that I'm sure that your problem has been fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.